Like, we have literally raised the bar at Acklam Car Centre. Now, this is the 3-litre D250 diesel X-Dynamic S in the amazing Fuji white with a full black styling pack on it, 1,000 miles, 2022, 22 registration, Defender 110. Just look at it, it's incredible, it's physical, it's available, it's here. And whilst it is an X-Dynamic S in the white with a black styling pack, it's then got loads of other extras. And the car's phenomenal. Now, with it being a 2022 registration, you've still got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty up until 2025. Just do your research and do your homework and see what they're selling for, and you'll see that ours is the best value and the best looking at the same time. Now, first of all, the condition of the car. Because it's done 1,000 miles, it's like new inside and out. All the black sections on this white car are just popping. That's the lettering, the bonnet decals, the foot plates, the daytime running lights, front fog lights also LED, front rear parking sensors, and you've got 360 view camera system. Now, if you look at the side view of this car, you'll see, like the front bumper, see this arches here. Now, normally they're not painted. This being the X-Dynamic S, yes it is, it's all in the gloss black, same as the bottom section down there and the back arches. You've also got the jet black wheels, front rear mud flaps, the tube side steps, contrasting black roof, and then a massive extra that this car's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But look at this interior there, absolutely mega. And I mean it. You've got the grab handles, the Defender imprinted there with a nice sort of rugged feel to it, air suspension, automatic gearbox, the touchscreen media system, the 360 view camera system is amazing, it's all clear on there, I'll show you in a few seconds. Heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen, so like the rear one, the front windscreen has hundreds of little wire mesh lines in it, so you press this button, 60 seconds later, boom, wipe, gone. It's not steamy, it's not cloudy, it's just clear vision. USCs, cubby holes, you can put your wallet down there, your phone down there, even your purse, no problem. The 2 keys, twin cup holders, you sat in a very good position as well, and to get in and out of is very easy, and you have the steps to help you. Other things like the entry kick plates, the X-Dynamic there. How cool is this car? It is amazing. Like a new car, literally. In the back, same again, grab handles, help yourself get in, more USCs down there, centre armrest for your rear passengers if there's only 2. But the car is fabulous. If you look at the panoramic glass roof, the tilt and sliding section, which is the big section, tilts up, slides all the way back. You've then got the quarter windows as well in the third quarter here, which lets more light in. The lever on the back of the seats, the cubby holes for the magazines, the iPads. Whatever you're going to use this car for, it's beautiful, it's mega, fabulous. All the words you can think of. Round the back, the same thing continues. First of all, the wheel cover. When you're looking at all the other Defenders that are available, you'd be surprised how many times they haven't got that, but it finishes the rear end of this vehicle, followed by the quad LED square lights on each side, the soft close boot, and then this car has a special button over here. Factory fitted electric deployable towbar. So you press the button, a few seconds later, electronically, this towbar pops out. If you're going to tow anything at all, it's ideal. With electrics just there. Once you finish using it, you press the button again and it'll just fold away. The 110 gives you a massive boot space. This is huge. And not just for shopping and stuff, but whether if you go away for the weekend, prams, golf gear, shooting gear, whatever you're going to use it for, it's ideal. And then this hardback surface as well, if you do get it mucky, you can literally wipe it all down and look new again. With a boot, unlike the old Defenders, and I've mentioned this many times, you don't need to slam it, because once it clicks, automatically it soft closes away, so you don't need to do too much to it. Like the front bumpers and the side arches, this whole rear bumper is also colour-coded in that jet black, so again, it looks finished, it looks smart, it looks crisp. It's a good-sized car. The D250, like I mentioned, is a 3-litre, 250 brake horsepower. The newer engines, which are a lot more quieter, which you'll hear right now. How quiet is that for a diesel? It's actually amazing. But it has more than enough power. Cruise control, lane assist, Bluetooth, everything is just in front of you. The 4-spoke steering wheel with, again, that sort of quite a rough finish, but it feels good in your hand. The air suspension that I've mentioned already. You've got all the lumbar support, all the seat adjustments there as well. Seriously, do your homework. 110 X-Dynamic, D250, 22 registration, which you can get, or you go and order one and wait 12 months and just hope that you don't get let down. Fabulous opportunity to own a cracking car. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.